the imperfect subjunctive in Spanish. Today we're going to work with the verb hablar, which is to talk. In order to create the imperfect subjunctive of any verb, you first must remember what the preterite ellos, the third person plural conjugation in the preterite of that verb. In this case, ellos hablaron, it's the ellos, ellas, ustedes hablaron. Once we know this, then we can proceed and continue to create the full conjugation of hablar in the imperfect of the subjunctive. We first start by taking the preterite ellos and we eliminate the R-O-N here, and we are left with habla. Now, what I like to tell my students is that you take the preterite ellos and you say goodbye to Ron. Again, you eliminate the R-O-N, you say goodbye to Ron. And it's kind of funny because I do have a couple friends whose name is Ron and they know who they are. But you got to say goodbye to Ron. And you are left with habla. If you do that with every verb that you work with, you will get the conjugation correct. Again, eliminate the R-O-N. And then you use that as your stem. In this case, it just happens to be habla. And then the conjugation of that into the imperfect subjunctive would be que yo hablo, and then you put in your imperfect subjunctive ending. In this case, it is going to be an R-A. Hablara, que yo hablara. For the tú conjugation, que tú, again, you put in your stem for this imperfect subjunctive tense, and it's habla, and then you put your ending, hablar, as. So que tú hablaras. And the third person singular, que ellos, que ellas, que ustedes, que ellas hablará. Oh, sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry for that. Que ella hablara. Que ella hablara. On the plural side of the conjugation, it would have que nosotros habla, and the ending here is going to be an accent and then the ramos. Okay, habláramos. Que vosotros then becomes que vosotros hablaráis. Your ending is there. Your ending here for the nosotros does include this and the accent. Que vosotros, sorry for the miss there, que vosotros hablaráis, and then to end the conjugation we have que ellos, que ellas, que ustedes hablarán. So again, the conjugation, the full conjugation for the verb hablar is que yo hablara, que tú hablaras, que él o ella o que usted hablara, que nosotros habláramos, que vosotros hablaráis, y que ellos, ellas, ustedes hablaran. Okay, so your endings for the imperfect subjunctive, and this is the good thing, or the beauty of this, I tell my students, is that all verbs, no matter whether they are AR, ER, or IR, are going to get these endings. So you have ra, ras, ra, but then the nosotros form is going to get this accent that kind of hangs over space right there, and then ramos, and it hangs over space because that's going to slide over the top of the stem that's coming in. For the vosotros is rais, and for the ellos, ellas, ustedes is ran, and you can see them here in the conjugation.